Roughly 170 kilometers northeast of Budapest, the Hungarian oil and gas group MOL is constructing a new plant for preliminary products used in the production of plastics to expand its existing petrochemicals facility. Felbermayr commenced the planning of a bespoke logistics concept for the project, working in conjunction with Schenker Deutschland AG in 2017. The task? To transport components with piece weights of up to 400 tons all the way across Europe to a logistically demanding region. It took around 6 months from initial contact to the complete logistics concept. The components originated from countries including Belgium and Italy. Those from the west were shipped via the Belgian waterway system, the Rhine, Main and Main-Danube Canal, to the Felbermayr heavy lift terminal in Linz, Austria. One such component was a column with a length of around 30 meters and a diameter of around 8 meters and an overall weight of approximately 200 tons. After being transferred to the company's own Lastdrager 30, it was then transported along the Danube to the mouth of the Tisa, close to the Serbian town of Titel. Transporting these and many other components by road would have been technically impossible due to their large dimensions. As such, the destination ports for the oversized cargo needed to be chosen according to the dimensions of the components. The roadworthy transports were transshipped onto low-loaders at the Hungarian Danube ports in Gönyű and Budapest, after which they were transported directly to the construction site. All in all, there were around 25 special transports in convoys of up to 5 vehicles each. They reached their destination in Tiszaújváros after several night stages. Components delivered from Italy made their way via the Romanian Black Sea port of Constanța. The journey continued via the Danube and Tisa to the transshipment point in Tiszaújváros. Those components that arrived by water were transferred onto self-propelled modular transporters, each with 18 axle lines. A 750-ton crawler crane with main and derrick boom as well as ballast wagons were used to guarantee the lifts with the steel giants, weighing in at several hundred tons. Their operating weight was 1,400 tons. This generates enormous pressures that have to be dissipated into the substrate, a fact that was also taken into consideration by the Felbermayr team in the planning and construction of the crane site.
We had a planning team of 4 people. This team was intensively involved in the project over a period of 4 months because every lift was different. The columns did not have the same dimensions, not the same weights and not the same focal points, so we had to plan a separate hangar for each lift.
To complete the heavy transport, there was yet another highlight, which came in mid-May 2020. 3 components, each weighing several hundred tons. To cope with these steel giants, a bridge en route to the plant needed both static calculation and support. All in all, around 100 heavy transports successfully moved across Europe in around 5 months. And all with low water in inland waterways and during a pandemic with border closures. All of this was made possible thanks to committed employees, state-of-the-art technical equipment, and the best possible deployment planning.